Welcome to this lesson on xylem, one of the most important tissues in plants. Xylem is responsible for transporting water and minerals throughout the plant body. Think of it as the plant's plumbing system that moves water from the roots all the way up to the leaves. Let's explore how this remarkable tissue works and why it's essential for plant survival. Xylem is a complex vascular tissue that transports water and dissolved minerals from the roots to all parts of the plant. What makes xylem unique is that it only moves substances in one direction, upward. This unidirectional flow ensures that water absorbed by the roots reaches the leaves where photosynthesis occurs. The upward movement happens continuously throughout the plant's life, supporting all its metabolic activities. Xylem performs two main functions in plants. First, it transports water and minerals upward from the roots to the leaves, ensuring that all plant cells receive the hydration and nutrients they need. Second, xylem provides structural support to the plant. The thick, lignified walls of xylem cells act like a skeleton, helping plants stay upright and grow tall. This dual function makes xylem indispensable for both plant nutrition and physical stability. Xylem tissue is made up of four main components. Tracheids are long, tubular cells with tapered ends and serve as the main water-conducting cells in gymnosperms like pine trees. Vessels are wider tubes formed by stacking vessel elements, and they provide efficient water transport in angiosperms or flowering plants. Xylem fibers are dead cells with thick lignified walls that provide mechanical strength and support to the plant. Finally, xylem parenchyma are living cells that store food and help in the lateral transport of water. Each component plays a specific role in making xylem function effectively. Let's compare tracheids and vessels, the two main water-conducting elements in xylem. Tracheids are long, narrow tubes with tapered ends, while vessels are wider tubes formed by vessel elements stacked together. Tracheids are less efficient at water transport compared to vessels because water must pass through pits in their end walls. Vessels have perforated or absent end walls, allowing water to flow more freely. Tracheids are found in gymnosperms and pteridophytes, whereas vessels are characteristic of angiosperms. This difference in structure reflects the evolutionary advancement in water transport efficiency. Xylem can be classified into two types based on when it forms during plant growth. Protoxylem is the first formed xylem during primary growth. It has narrow vessels and extensible cell walls that can stretch as the plant grows. Protoxylem forms closest to the center in stems. Metaxylem is formed later and has wider vessels with thicker walls, making it better suited for water transport in mature plants. Metaxylem develops after protoxylem and provides more efficient water conduction as the plant matures. This sequential development ensures the plant has appropriate xylem at each stage of growth. Water moves through xylem by three main mechanisms. Root pressure occurs when active transport of minerals into roots creates osmotic pressure that pushes water upward. However, this alone isn't enough to move water to great heights. Transpiration pull is more significant. When water evaporates from leaves, it creates negative pressure that pulls water up through xylem vessels like sucking through a straw. The cohesion-tension theory explains that water molecules stick together due to hydrogen bonding, forming continuous columns from roots to leaves. This cohesive property prevents the water column from breaking, even in tall trees. These three mechanisms work together to transport water efficiently throughout the plant. Let's recap the key points about xylem. First, xylem is composed of four components: tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers, and xylem parenchyma, each with a specific function. Second, most xylem cells are dead at maturity and have lignified walls that provide strength to the plant. Third, water movement through xylem is driven by transpiration pull and cohesion-tension forces, creating an efficient transport system. Finally, xylem provides both water transport and mechanical support, making it essential for plant survival. Understanding xylem helps us appreciate how plants can grow tall and thrive in diverse environments. This knowledge is fundamental to plant biology and agriculture.
If you like this video, Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.